APIs have become the backbone of modern software development. In fact, in 2025, 83% of all web traffic is expected to consist of API calls. This is why the API-first approach is transforming how software is built. The API-first approach means designing APIs before writing any application code. APIs act as contracts that define how systems communicate, ensuring consistency and scalability from day one. In 2025, APIs are the critical layer enabling AI tools, multimodal systems, and microservices to work together. Companies like Amazon, Stripe, and Netflix have scaled into industry leaders by embracing API first. Compared to traditional approaches, API first offers parallel development, 60% fewer integration bugs, lower maintenance costs, and faster time to market. API first accelerates development with mock servers, reduces costs through reusable APIs, and improves developer experience with consistent patterns and interactive documentation. Amazon's API mandate built the foundation for AWS. Stripe scaled to a $95 billion valuation with developer-first APIs. And Twilio transformed global communications through simple API calls. The future of API first is clear: GraphQL for flexible queries, event-driven APIs for real-time systems, and seamless integration with AI and cloud-native platforms. API first is a business survival strategy. Talk to our team at Cumbia and start building modern, scalable software the right way. API first.